My son recently has outgrown his baby bed, and we took a trip this weekend to Ikea to buy him a toddler bed. So this is an upgrade. And in this video, I'm going to make a journal entry documenting the names of the bed sheets that we got and a little bit of information about the sizes because the mattress is a custom size that IKEA uses. When we shared with our family that we upgraded his bed, the first thing they wanted to know was the mattress size. I'm assuming they want to get him some covers. So I decided to log that in my journal so that I can have that information handy. If you want to do something like this at home, all you need to do is cut out the names and all the pieces. See, we got him this pattern for his sheets, and I want to remember that. So the first thing I did was cut out all the information, and I'm figuring out the layout for my entry. This one is the name of the bed sheet, and I cut out the laundry settings. And here's the information for the cover itself for the sheet. And so we're going to start off by gluing the name of the sheet. And of course, we're using a glue stick to lather up the back of this name or this piece of paper and gluing it. Next is the washing information. We want to make sure that we get that right. And then we're adding the pattern. I'm gonna just take some of the extra glue that was on the piece of paper and lather a little bit more. And then we stick it to the page. Make sure to get some of that extra glue out of the way. Next, here's the information, all the sizing information for the bed sheet. This is the information that I actually wanted to log, but rather than just write it down, I decided to cut all that, and I left a little room in the bottom here to write some information down myself. And now I'm gonna add the name of the mattress cover. As you can see, this is not your typical twin size mattress. It's just a little more narrow, making it a toddler bed. And we're gonna lather some glue to the back and put it in this little space that I left, which look at that, it's perfect. Perfect fit. And again, I left a little bit of space to write something down. It doesn't look like a lot of space, but I don't have a lot to write about it, so it's going to be enough. To prevent it from ungluing, I'm just adding a little bit more pressure with the bone folder. And there you have it. Here's all the information for my son's mattress and the bed sheets. And I have information I can add here and even add a photo of him laying on the bed, maybe. And just to kind of keep a little memory of the day that my son upgraded his bed.